Hey, first grade, we're going to get started with our math today. So for your math, we're going to continue the idea of counting on when we're adding and counting back when we're subtracting, okay? So counting on, we're going to start at the number. So we would start at 8. And if we're adding 3, we're going to count on 9, 10, 11. And that gives us our answer of 11. So if we're counting backwards, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to go backwards. So if we're doing 8 take away 3, we would do 8, 7, 6, 5. We would take away 3, and then 5 would be our answer, okay? So you're going to practice this today by doing 12 plus 3, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to take your circle up here, and you are going to start at 12, okay? And you're going to count on 3. So I'll do this first one with you, okay? And since it's 12 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's essentially what you're doing, but we're going to count on, okay? So 12 plus 3, we're going to go 13, 14, 15. We move 3 spots, right? And then we're going to put our circle over 15 to show our answer, okay? That's what you're going to do with these, and then when you subtract, you're just going to go backwards on your number line. So you're going to take your circle right here, you're going to put it right here, and you're going to go backwards how many spaces to get on your number line, okay? So you're doing 18 take away 2, 16 plus 1, 11 take away 3, 14 plus 2, and 15 take away 1. So remember, you're using that number line to help you, okay? You're either counting forwards or counting backwards, and you're counting on, okay? So 15 take away 1, I'm going to take that circle, I'm going to put it right on my 15. Sorry. I'm going to put it right on my 15, and I'm going to take away 1, and I'm going to put my circle over my answer.